Let's try Ghorme Sabzi with me. I haven't tasted this food before and this is my first time. Let's see if it's a yummy one or not. Ghorme Sabzi is a traditional Iranian food that you can only find it in Yazd. The main ingredients are meat, chickpeas, and tomato paste. Usually it's served with rice or bread, but mostly with rice, and it cost me like $2.60. Oh my god, I just got my food and the design is so cute, it's so traditional, it's so Iranian, I really love it. This is the tablecloth. I'm supposed to put it here on the ground so I don't make a mess. And this is my food. Oh my god, it's so delicious, it tastes amazing, and I'm super hungry. I think I'm gonna fall in love with it. I'm extremely excited. You know, this is the meat stew. It contains, this is called Ghorme Sabzi, okay? And we are supposed to have it with rice. It contains chickpeas, some lentil, meat, tomato paste, and oh my god, the saffron and cardamom. It smells amazing, so let's try it with rice and see. I'm in love with this food. Honestly, it's giving me a sweet vibe, but at the same time it's not sweet. I believe maybe it's because of saffron and cardamom. And it's warm, it's not salty, but it had salt in it. As you can see, my mouth is all the time full of food. I couldn't put the spoon down and explain how I'm feeling and how amazing this food is. I guess you can say I really enjoyed my food. My food is over, as you see. I'm happy by the result. It wasn't the best food that I had in my life. It was good. It was honestly a good one. If I have to rate it between 1 to 10, it gets 7. Yeah, 7 I believe is a fair number. The combination, the mixture, everything was good, but if I come to Yes, probably I won't order it again. I would go with something else or new. That's it.